3、2、1。
Okay, I'm Xuanning Feng. I'm the first member of this group. Now it's my turn. And I will say that I have finished the Unity this week out of the relevant tutorial learning, including learning the C# language, and the second part of what I do is to write user stories. And in Wednesday meeting, all functions points about our user stories have assigned to each group members. And then the third part, what I do is about the requirements functions. We have decided the user case and write the document of the presentation for 1,000 words. And this is what I do. Okay, the next.
Okay, thank you, Xuanning. Hello, everyone. I'm Yino. At the beginning of this week, we have made a preliminary plan to complete the project requirements. After discussion, we have listed the main tasks in the project. The main task I was assigned was to study how to capture the most position and most inputs in Unity. I collect some information and most to work it. At the same time, I finished the user stories, and I'm still brainstorming to find more. In the next week's work, I think our focus will be to refine the details of the project requirements. Thank you. That's all.
Thanks, Yino. I have made a classification. The requirements are divided into 3 categories: Windows, mouse, and remote control. The divisions in the big category are posted on Slack, and the teacher gave us some suggestions. We'll do some functional requirements and use case. Do that and finish the SRS template to finish the project manager responsibilities and the project management plan. And that's all. Thank you. Next one.
Okay, thank you, Xiaolin. Zihao, one member in this project group. And last week, I continued to follow up and end the Unity's tutorial, then began to touch the C# language. I started to cry out user story, analyze with team members, and discussed with supervisors. Then got the advices or suggestions in this meeting. So this week, I will focus on the computation of presentation and the documents and try to start the coding process. The main obstacle is about the technical difficulties. I will try to adapt to new toys, new languages, and technologies. So that's all I want to say in this meeting. Xuanning, next. You will finish.
Okay, this week's our daily meeting. OK， 结束吧，可以了。